Hello painters! We are going to be using yellow, red, and blue to create a feather. So on my paper I'm putting a little blob of red, then just a tiny amount of red with some yellow put on it. And then I'm going to put more yellow down. I'm going to wash my brush because I have to get all that red out. And I'm going to put a little more yellow. Okay, so I've got 3 things of yellow, and now this third yellow has a little bit of blue. So the first yellow has a little red, the second yellow is just plain, and the third yellow has a little blue. Then I'm going to wash my brush, put a little bit of blue, and then I'm going to put another thing of blue with just a little red in it. And then I'm going to wash my brush and just put plain red, and then a little bit of blue, so it's mostly red and a little blue. It's the opposite. So red, yellow with red, yellow, yellow with green, blue, and blue with red, and then red with blue. Okay, so now I'm going to take my toothbrush and I'm just going to start spreading out the colors. And as I spread them, they're going to mix. So it went from red to orange. Now it's going to yellow, orange. And then it gets me my green. Now my green to blue, my blue to a blue violet, and my blue violet to a red violet. And I'm getting my red violet real tiny at the end because that's the end of my feather. Okay, now I'm going to take that brush, I'm going to flip it upside down, so I'm using the handle, and I'm just going to scratch a line up the middle and try to pull it out. And I'm running out of paint, so I'm going to flip it over with just a touch of red, and I'm just going to gently pull up a stem for my feather. Then I'm going to wash my toothbrush out real good and kind of dry it off. And then I'm going to pick which color I want to do a little splatter. And I'm going to go for blue. So I'm going to put the brush, I'm going to hold on to the brush in the palm of my hand. And I'm going to use my finger at the bottom of the brush and just flick it onto my paper. Okay, and you can see I've got some blue speckles. All right, and then this is done. Excellent work, everybody.